everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Design. My voice just all of a sudden went out the window right there. Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm going to do some beads today. This is a video for Craspire. The links for everything will be listed below, as well as I have a 10% off coupon, I think. So let's get started. I'm just going to do some of these bigger, larger beads. Some of these, the large cubes and the large rounds. So I'm going to mix up some resin and we'll be back. Okay, these will be fun. Okay, let's do some beads. I'm going to start out with these large squares, and that may be all I do, but first thing I'm going to do is snip off the end of that pipette. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's pour off a little bit of this. This is that, yeah, YRYMHD resin pigment, and this is the fire opal. I just put maybe 4 drops. I may need a larger pipette. Let's try an experiment. Put 3 drops of the black. Now I want another pipette for that one. Off the end of it again. Oh, would have helped if I stirred it, wouldn't it? Okay, now. Oh yeah, that's full of a lot of bubbles. It is not very heavily pigmented, sorry. I add a bit more to that. A good little squirt this time. Probably not the best utensil to try to stir it with, but still sucking up about a half bubbles. Okay. Very time consuming. Not sure why it's not working like it should. Evidently my pipette got a hole in it somewhere. Ah, there we go. It just wasn't squeezing the air out. This is funny. Alright, y'all. I'll finish filling these up off camera. And then I'm going to set them on the drying rack overnight, y'all. Alright, so we'll be back to demold these tomorrow. Okay, I filled these up. I did swirl a little bit of the black in with the orange in these cubes, and then these black ones, some of them have a bit more translucent, and I managed to put a few bones down inside the ones that have translucent. I'm going to set these on the drying rack after I run a long neck ladder over them, and we'll be back to demold these in the morning because this is 2-part epoxy. Sorry, I didn't say that before. This is the epoxy resin store. This is the epoxy resin store resin. Just because I'm out of Let's Resin, y'all. So I'll be back in the morning. It's also a 1-to-1 ratio resin. Okay? I'll be back. Okay, they're ready. These are the ones with the bones, couple of them that have the translucent. And these are the ones that the last of the orange that I mixed, and then a little bit of the black kind of swirled in, but I think on this one it just stayed on top. Try to do like Julie always does and keep the surprise. Okay, here we go. Uh, Julie, see what you've done. Hey, this might be easier. Oh, these are harder. Oh, I need to be a sumo wrestler or something to get these out. Okay. Oh my gosh, these might even be cuter, huh? Okay, let's start with the orange and black ones. Oh my gosh. Those are gorgeous. A little sanding around the bottom edge. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. I love how square they are. I know that sounds odd, but I mean how sharp the corners are. And wow, they're so pretty. Now I want to do the smaller ones. Okay. Drum roll, please. They just look like black beads. Let's see. Can we see a bone? Oh, there's a... There's a bone right across the top right there. A couple of them. They're slippery. Not resin slippery, but just round slippery. Okay, then there's this one. Let's see. Just can't hold on to them. Again, there's a bone right there across the top. I think, and one went pretty much straight down. But they're cute. Oh my goodness. Lots of beads in my future. Now, these of course could be done with UV resin so easily. I just have a super thickened bottle because it's getting down to the bottom. Bottle to the bottom. So feel free to use your UV resin. I have done others with some other molds that were done with UV resin. They're actually just the balls, not the beads themselves. But anyway, super cute. I just love these. Let me turn them all face up. Just so you can see all their beauty. Okay, everybody. Here was those first two. Now, those bicone beads don't seem to be near as shiny. But that could be because I did use UV resin in them. So, those are really small comparatively, aren't they? Okay. Thank you so much to Craspire. these were super fun. I'm really excited about doing more. With some glitters in, or some, maybe those chameleon flakes in. Anyway, I'll leave the links to everything below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now. Okay. Thank you so much to Craspire for sending me these, and the links for everything will be listed below, as well as any other information. I do have an Amazon shop. I did start a new Facebook page, everyone. Feel free to friend request me. Or at least just look me up. I only have 4 friends, y'all. But anyway, I've got a Facebook page and an Instagram. Those are the 2 that I lost and could not get back. So, I've opened up a super thanks button below the video. A link for a buy me a coffee. And an Amazon wish list as well. If you're interested in any of those. I think I'm done, y'all. I think I'm done. Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.